Hello YouTube and welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini vacuum using a PC fan and a plastic container. Here's what we need: plastic container, vacuum tube, or you can use any other tube, a PC fan. This one can go up to 2000 RPM. You can use smaller if you want. Female adapter connection, 2 wheels, barbecue stick with a straw, and for the filter I would be using this fabric. You can use any other fabric as long as it's thin and the air can go through smoothly. Now we're going to install the adapter connection. And now we're going to make a hole for our vacuum tube. And now we're going to do the filter. I've cut a piece of cardboard like this. Then I'm going to make a hole. That's going to be the frame for my filter. So as you see, our filter is complete. And now we're going to put the wheels. Okay, so after installing the wheels, the filter and the vacuum tube, all what's left to do is to put back the cover with the fan. And now we're gonna make a test. And there you go, guys. As you can see, the project was a success. And if you want to make it more efficient, you can simply change the motor. This one has only 2000 RPM, and by changing the motor you're gonna have better results and a lot more suction. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe under fixitsamo, one word, and we will see you next time.